Hi ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to ITSnippets, and today I'm going to show you how you can reverse a clip in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. First thing we always have to do is go inside DaVinci Resolve. As you can see here, I'll just close the irrelevant stuff just now. And I've already loaded a clip, so we'll just play that clip through so you can see it's basically me pouring Coca-Cola into a glass of bourbon. So in order to do this, you right click your clip, select Retime Controls, and down here where it says 100%, you'd click on that little arrow next to it, and select Reverse Segment. And now if I move my playhead back and play it, I now drain the cup rather than pour Coke into it. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.